Hello gentlepeople, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. We will keep working on some buildings. As you can see here, today we will carve some little houses, or group of houses. As you can see, there's different shapes, like these little ones, little chimney, windows at the top, and different things, and all the sides. And then this one here was a bit more intricate with ceiling there. A little, I don't know, shed on the side, and then more simpler stuff. This one I just made it for the gist of it, not really any sort of detail, but different size. And then this little one here, really simple. I think we're gonna do something like this today, just to keep it simple, with a little window in there and different height difference and things like that. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy, and let's get going. Any piece of wood will work, so take anything you have, as long as it's some sort of a rectangular shape, to create these little facade. And then, of course, take your favorite knife. And then, yeah, I will not go with measurement for this one. Like I said, anything will work. You can have different shapes, as you can see. This one was a bit bigger and longer and whatnot. It still works. So at 3/4, if we say that this is the middle, so a little bit higher, we'll make a line on both sides, because that will be the line for the roof. All right. And then the top, we'll just make a line in the middle. All right. And let's say that we'll have one house on that side, and then we'll have a bigger house, like I've done with this one, right? And then here in the middle, somewhere, whatever shape you want, it's not important. Gotta keep that thing, so we're gonna have a little window right here, right? Like this one here. Okay. That's it for the line for now. We can have a little door here, another little door there, and a couple of windows here and there, but anyway. Well, this part is a bit broken down, but we're gonna make it work. So to start with, we're gonna take the side without the window, and you just shove it off. The interesting thing with this carving is that we're sort of carving on the side. It's kind of hard to explain, but instead of having my piece like usual like this, we're going on the side. For some part it's easier to carve, for some others it's way harder. Okay, so that's one side done. Simple as that. And for this one here, we'll make a little stop cut in the corner for the window. And you're gonna remove a bit of wood, and more wood, and more wood. Right, follow the lines. Alright, so we're pretty much there. Now we're gonna remove all of that. We're gonna do the same thing here. Alright, so that is pretty much it. We have the roofs. Okay. So just for the sake of having a little bit of difference, what I do is usually I will lower one of the roof a little bit. So stop cut, remove a bit of wood, like this. Then same thing here. All right. The deeper you go, the lower the roof will be, obviously. All right. Then when you have this cavity, then it's the same thing again. Flatten this whole thing. On both sides. Okay, and then you look, well, that's going a bit up. The end here, so I will remove more. Okay. So we have a little difference in height for the roofs. Now we're just gonna work on this window. So just need a little line in the middle, if it's useful for you. This is the little bit of a tricky part. Make sure that your knife is sharp as usual, but for that, because you're basically carving against the grain. Alright? And then we just go with an angle. You see here. And we have to rotate the knife as we go, sort of make sure that we end up with the same angle as the rest of the roof. And then we can remove a bit more. Okay, something like that. Alright, then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good, that's good enough for now. Now we're gonna separate the houses, here and here. So we just need a stub cut. There, another one here. Alright. Then we're just gonna go in a little angle on both sides. Here, and then there. Alright, so we have a separation between both houses. Okay, let's attack the roof now. So we're gonna do a little stub cut where the angle meets, right? Same thing on the other side. You can leave a little bit of play area. Alright, and same thing for the big one. Alright. It was a bit too much, but that was still gonna work. Same thing on the back. Gonna rearrange that thing here. Just creates a bit of shadow. It's really small, but still does the job. I have a big roof in the front. Now we have separated the roof. Now you can go at the top here if you feel like it. This one is a bit more tricky because you're at the edge, at the end grain. So take your time. That's one. Let's do the other one. Okay. Now we have separation on both sides. Nice. So now it's the simple yet tricky part of adding doors and windows and the like. I was about to split the grain is going on the other direction. Just cleaning. Probably took the most broken piece of wood I had for this house. That's fine. It's good to have a little bit of brokenness on each side. So let's have a little door in the middle here. Have a little door here. And then one long window. That's gonna be good. And then the little one there. Alright, and then the back we could have a big door on this side. Alright, and then maybe 2 windows. And then one long window this side. Alright, okay. So, following the line, stop cuts. Alright. Like this, and then a little push cut, removing a little bit of wood. Be careful here, you don't want to split. And then a little pull cut, so my blade fit, and then I just remove the rest. Alright, clean it up a bit. Now we have a little door inside. Okay. Same thing for the window. Like so. So I always do one push, one pull, I flip, and I do one push and one pull. There we go. So I'm gonna do all of that with the others, and we'll be back. So we have all the windows and the little doors. Okay. Now we're gonna add some framing. So I can draw some lines here. Just to give you an idea, we just add a little tidbits of wood around, right? So it does something like this. You see the little, you can see the difference between the two. So we're cheating a bit. We're not removing everything and pushing everything back. We're just going to remove wood around. Then that will create the little door frame, a little window frame. So you do little stop cuts like that. You could even maybe leave it like that if you wanted. Still works, right? But anyway, then you just be really careful and you remove little tidbits of wood. So that's the doors. Then I'm gonna do the windows. So here we are, we have all the doors and windows framed. One little thing that we will do is a stop cut here on top of the window. Alright. Then I'm gonna push that thing in like this. Have a little roof right there. Okay. And we can put that a little bit in. Be careful with that specific cut here, because you're with the grain. Same thing on the other side. Try to not push, try to just slide in a bit, like if you were using a saw. Then you will be able to cut little things. Alright. So all in all, that is pretty much it. You have your little houses, right? What I would love to do with this one is add a little basement. So we're just gonna do a little stop cut, like here at the bottom. Alright. And we're gonna do the same thing as we've done with the roof and the frame. And it's just gonna pull everything. There we go. We even have a little basement now. And here it is, after a little paint job. As you can see, I like these little growing vine plants, you know. So yeah, little dirty painting, really simple, nothing special about it. And there's another one that I painted also. Same thing. And then the other one that I've done before that are a little bit different. So yeah. So it's really up to you to decide how you go with it. You know, this one have a little, they have a little bit of gutter and stuff. So little flowers also right there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was easy enough. And then we will see each other in the next video. Bye bye.